Google will let developers offer outside payments, and it's also it with its 30% cut for transactions at the same time. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. Google first announced these changes in March as part of the terms in its years-long court battle with Epic Games. Google's new billing choice program will be available to all developers around the world. While their listings will still feature Play Store's billing system, they can offer an alternative payment system or link users to their own websites for purchase. Customers will see the choice, but developers can design their own screen as long as it adheres to the company's UX guidelines. Google will also stop taking a 30% cut from sales in the US, the UK, and Europe. It will separate its service fee from the billing fee and will start with 10% on the developer's first $1 million in annual earnings, regardless of what billing system their customers use. That 10% service fee will also apply to all subscription auto-renewals. For transactions that use Google Play's own payment system, an additional 5% billing fee will apply. Google's commission doubles after the developer's first million in a year for new installs, giving it a 20% cut instead of just 10%. Auto-renewals will still give it a 10% cut, but all other transactions on existing installs will give Google a 20 to 25% commission. However, apps that qualify for the Games Level Up and the new Apps Experience program can keep enjoying lower fees when the initiatives go live on September 30th. The Games Level Up program are for developers who create high-quality gaming experiences, while the Apps Experience program is for developers who design premium multi-device experiences across Android. These changes will only apply to the US, UK, and Europe on June 30th, but Google will be expanding their reach over the coming months until they become the standard worldwide on September 30th, 2027. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.